UnitedHealth Group did $400 billion in revenue last year. It's the largest healthcare company on the planet, bigger than most countries' GDP. Here's the twist. The insurance business you know them for is basically a pass-through. The real profit hides somewhere else entirely. Net income actually fell to $14.4 billion, its smallest profit since 2019, hit hard by a massive cyber attack on its claims system. For every dollar you pay in premiums, 85.5 cents goes right back out the door in claims. That's why insurance alone barely moves the needle. So the company built a second engine. Optum now generates roughly as much revenue as the insurance arm itself, and it's growing twice as fast. Here's the loop. You buy the insurance plan, Optum Rx fills your prescriptions, Optum Health owns the clinic you actually walk into, and all that data prices next year's premium. The same company gets paid at every single step. Optum Rx, the pharmacy benefit manager most people have never heard of, alone did over $133 billion last year. And it doesn't stop at pharmacies. Optum now employs or is affiliated with roughly 90,000 physicians, close to 1 in 10 doctors in America. Even in a brutal year, the company still returned over $16 billion to shareholders through dividends and buybacks. Add it all up, and UnitedHealth touched 146 million unique people last year: insurance, pharmacy, or care, often all three at once. Next up, how Apple, the most valuable company on earth, actually makes its money. Subscribe and hit like. A new business teared on every day.